Sigurado bakit ka way mo palag mo ayaw, way mo palag mo ayaw, way mo palag.
All night long,
Girl, nobody ever take it all. All night
long.
Girl, nobody ever take it all. Ang sigurado kailan ka na nagsabi.
Fantastic.
This is the aftermath last night. Morning. Natulog ka mo? Nakatulog ka mo?
Yes,
Too much. Good morning, Siquijor. This is our second day here. It's gonna be a jam-packed. Tapos it's our last day. We're just staying here for 2 days and a night. Kaya, good luck to us for a fun-filled day ahead. Wala no sunset day. I woke up a little bit late. But anyways, this is the morning. And my face is oily. My voice is hoarse. So yeah, forgive me for that. So our first step is the Lugnason Falls. Located in where is this, Christian? Barangay na po. Ito. Charot. Okay. Pero in order to reach the falls, kailangan mo pong bumaba po. Teneng, 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 teneng. So why is this called Zodiac Falls?
I'm not really sure about the details. Yung formation, the rocks and the waterfall in the base.
Okay, so we are at the Zodiac Falls. Yun nga, she explained that it's the rock formation na they based on the zodiac.
But I'm not really sure about the exact details.
We also came here very early.
Yes.
So solo namin yung places. You can see walang tourists. Kami lang. Thank you for Barbara de Fuego.
No, Ate Gigi, thank you so much.
Oh, our tour is operated. Charot.
Kuya Joseph.
Yes. We took the tour from, what's the name of the company?
NATHANDREI Express and NATHANDREI Travel and Tours.
Yeah, for the contact number, please check the description down low. So, if you come here, you can check it out.
Yes, and they are the only registered tour operator, or let's say express services here in the island by the Department of Tourism.
Okay, so check it out.
Sure.
Kung andito lang kayo, you feel the cool breeze ng the breeze that the falls make. Iggy, follow Iggy.
Later.
Kapoy, Besh.
Tama, Besh.
Hapitanay.
Ayan, so that was Lugnason Falls. Going next.
Nakakapagod yung paakyat, no? Mountain climbing to, no? Trekking to, no? I cannot
You
anymore,
wanna take that route? I cannot myself.
I cannot myself anymore. Oh my gosh. Konti na lang. Ang pasensya ko. Konting-konti na lang. Yan yung inakyat po namin, no? Bale, doon pa kami sa baba nito, no? Oh, it's all the rice that I ate.
This is all we got.
This is all we got.
Head count!
Head count!
Head down. Kasi ito yung Pwede ka na. Nakita mo sa movie ka pa.
So we just arrived at the Balete Enchanted Tree. Kung saan yung makita niyo yung foot spa. So this is the Balete tree. Ayan. And then sa entrance you have to pay 10 pesos.
Kasya? Pupug. Balit. Sinautot pa.
Ay.
Anong kaigi mo tiil? Ang daming isda.
Bawal isang pala kayo. Dalawa dapat.
Lagay mo, ano?
Lagay mo.
Ayun, malaki yung gawa ng malaki. Nakatawa.
Hindi yan. Makano ka lang.
Hito.
Si Gunggong mo. Ako, tail ito.
Much later.
Maganda yung view
You,
dyan.
man.
Nako-challenge nila. Ipakita ko.
So ladies and gentlemen, nasa hapitanay na kami dito sa Siquijor. And my friend Barbie is starting this game na whoever finds the crocodile's view or crocodile's head will win a prize. I'll give you a clue kung nasaan. Dito sa kabalo na ko. Someone's getting the clue. Someone's getting the view. Secret. Secret. Look for it. Oh, here in Hapitanay, you can take the broomstick challenge. Aakit ka dito. Where? Somewhere here.
Kita mo lang. Sigura, bro.
You get the broomstick here.
7, 6, 5.
This is the broomstick. And then you have to jump to get the view. Char-char masyado.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner!
Sinong nanalo? Maki?
Maki, baby boy.
Maki!
Maki!
Your, your speech. Dali. Paano mo nahanap yung crocodile's view? Crocodile
I'd like
said.
to thank Samantha Mission for letting me borrow her phone.
Sino si Samantha?
Sino si Samantha?
Dili ako dyan, nakakita ako siya din na picture eh.
Relationship
Yan ang
goals.
tinatawag na unconditional love.
Crocodile.
So how did you find it? How did you find it?
Isa ka ko there.
Using my eyes.
Then nakita mo na ako dito. View man.
Party. Nasaka ka sa stairs. View.
1, 2, 3.
Try ipong.
Oh, sup.
Ako lang po. Video ka.
2, 3, go! Okay. O, sapa? Sapa.
Kami na po. Para nilalay.
1, 2, 3. 2, 3, go! Awali!
1, 2, 3.
Go! Awali!
Kapit ko ba? Taka tumay.
Happy na, bay!
Okay, go.
Gabi kayo sa mga kusog.
Tapos ambak. Jump.
Talon.
Talon.
1, 2, 3, go!
So, sakit.
Ulit, isa pa. 3, go!
Sigurado bang yun kang way mo palag mo ayaw, ay mo palag mo ayaw.